Hello, in front of me I've got MGZS. In this video I'll show you how to enable adaptive cruise control. To enable and manage adaptive cruise control, firstly, fasten your seatbelts, put the car in drive, and on the screen display, let's go to Car, MG Pilot and select ACC. Once it's done, press steering wheel button on the steering wheel. Now you can see that adaptive cruise control is enabled by this icon being lit up. To disable it, press this button again. And now, to change distance from the following car, press this button left or right. And that's basically it. To deactivate it, press off on the intelligent drive. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.